Hello guys, what's going on today? We're going to talk about the app called Dreame, and I'm going to show you step by step that how you can get unlimited coins on the app, guys, for free. And all you have to do is just need to follow this tutorial until the end. You're gonna be able to get same amount as I'm going to show you in my phone right now. Okay, so this method works for the both devices, guys, iOS and Android. Today I'm going to show with my iPhone the steps, but the same steps are working also for the Android devices. Right now I'm recording with my Samsung. If you want me to make a tutorial for the Android, guys, just let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna make a tutorial also for the Android device, but there is no need because the steps are the same. But anyway, if you want me, just let me know in the comments below and I will do it. Okay, so I'm just going to open the app real quick, guys, so you can see by yourself what I'm talking about. And then we're just going to skip it here, and then I'm just later we just go to me here, and then I'm going to press wallet over here. And as you can see, I'm generating so many coins, and right now I'm going to show you step by step that how you can do it also, you guys. Okay, so all you have to do, you just need to go and make some changes if you didn't do it before, guys, which it means that you have to go to settings and then to scroll it down till to the battery. If you are using lower power mode, you just need to make sure you're gonna switch it off. Okay, and then the next step, you have to go to general over here, and then background up refresh, again background up refresh, and make sure you're gonna be selecting Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is gonna help you the downloading process of the mod doesn't interrupt. Okay, and it's going to make the downloading process smoother and faster. Then these steps, guys, are only for iOS devices. For the Android devices, there is no need to go to settings to make any changes. Okay, all you have to do for the both devices, you have to go now straight to your internet browser, and all you have to do, you need to search in the searching bar about the website I'm going to type for you guys and focus it immediately right now. So you enter in this website, and you're going to face in the front page, as you can see, different categories. And right now we're going to search in the mods, or you can just go straight in the searching bar. I'll just press mods over here and scroll it down and scroll it down and scroll it down, and here it is. It says Dreame App Mod. So all you have to do, press the blue sign over here. It's going to take you to the next page when you have all the information. As you can see, it says also unlimited coins. The last update, it was done in 12th March, and all you have to do, you just need to press the download sign, and it will start the loading process of the mods. In the moment it will be finished, you're going to be install the mod on your app, and it's going to start to generate the coins, same as it did to me. So this might be the tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to press the subscribe button in order to bring more videos in the next coming days. So thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.